Welcome back to the channel again. This is of course Oprelia here, and today we're going to be looking into another AI service. This one is called UDIO, which is in beta and has been for some time now, and they are in the business of creating AI generated music, which seems to be a niche that not that many companies are interested in, as everybody seems to be focused on image generation and video generation, and I guess that's where a lot of the money is. I don't think there's that much money to be made with AI music, but that might be my assessment. And obviously we have covered a couple of other services like Suno before, which is probably heralded as the best audio music generator out there in the business right now, and we're going to be seeing whatever UDIO can basically compete with that. And they just released out this sort of a sessions feature, I think a couple of days ago, and this is actually behind a paywall, so I do not have like the actual subscription to this service, but everybody that are basically signing up will be getting free credits into the system. So there's going to be a lot of additional credits that you're going to be getting just by, using the website. And I guess we could just quickly go over the bit of the pricing here. So there is the free model, credit limit per day. Then we have the standard model, which is at $8. On monthly, it's going to be $10. And then we have the Pro, $24 and $30. And this is pretty much on the same price ballpark as Suno, but maybe Suno has a bit more features compared to UDIO. But obviously, these are trained on different sets, and you're going to be getting very, very different results. And I actually did a couple of prompts myself, and I'm going to just play out some of the spotlight music because that's usually like the best content that they have here. So let's look at this one, for example. And this is by, and it seems to be... So that was not too bad. I think one of the stylistic things that I've noticed around here is that the audio is not as clean, and it seems to be a bit more, how should I say it? It's a bit more melded into the actual background music. Like, not saying it's poorly, the audio should be kind of like spiking out from the track, I guess. So the mixing is not the most perfect when it comes to the certain tracks over here. Here's another one.
This isn't what empty feels like, I never will forget. But it's not like this feels right, guess that's what I get.
So this one I actually like. This sounds very real, actually. In my opinion, I would argue that it's I couldn't tell that this is actually AI. So one of the things based on like the initial testing, so I guess we're going to be going into my library, things that I prompted out, is that it's really maybe stronger at the instrumental stuff, and maybe there's more like an ambient trip hop not instrumental, but like psychedelic, there's a bit more like moody type of sounds, but like creating like very like a viral sounding music that sounds like very much what we have today on the radio, so to speak, or on the top charts. It's definitely doesn't seem to be able to replicate that. So here's a couple of tracks that I was able to do.
Rolling through the city, got a hot dog in hand, making moves, grilling the best in the land. Catch up on flow, monsters got beat, bun so fresh, they can't even heat. Eating good, every bite just feels right.
So that was actually prompting out to just rap about hot dogs. That was the whole thing. And it just created the lyrics for it. So it's actually pretty good at that. So is Suno. So in terms of like creating out the actual, lyrics, not too bad. And this is hip hop. But once again, like I feel like if you listen again.
Late like snacking under moonlight. Veggies on the side.
I feel like the volume of the singer should be higher. It just kind of feels like it's like lost in the noise a bit. Here's another track with the same prompt. So every time you prompt, you're going to be doing 2 tracks.
Hot dogs on the grill, now watch the sizzle sound. Got the mustard and the ketchup, we hold it down. Throw a little relish in, mix it up for the crowd.
So once again, not too bad. Not really that fan of the rapping here, but it's fine. It's like sounds authentic rapping, but maybe I don't know. Maybe I was expecting Tupac or something, but it just like it doesn't seem like something I would enjoy. And here's a couple of EDM tracks. So I tried to do a bit of like Euro dance and other things, and these didn't turn out to be that good. So definitely was not gent. It was definitely not techno. Sometimes even with Suno, I feel like they're not very good at doing like very niche, like let's say, oh, I want something like grime sounding, or I want Japanese enka. Like it's not able to necessarily distinguish like very, very niche styles of music genres. That's something that I've seen. And beatboxing is another one that none of these have been able to do yet. I mean, that was pretty horrible. I'm not gonna lie, this was not good at all. And then I tried to do, I think, a jingle here. This could actually sound like it might have been like early 2000s, like a hit song or something. Not exactly Eurodance, but I take it, it's okay. So it can do different types of styles over here, and apparently there's some type of weird captcha thing over here that we had to complete. And the prompting is actually relatively fast, around probably same ballpark as what you would have on Suno. Let's while this remix thing is happening, let's go into looking into some of the other stuff that are here. So we already went, there's the session thing, so you can actually kind of like alter out the songs. There isn't a lot of that editing actually in Suno, so that's maybe a bit more like people who want to have a bit more hands-on experience about creating stuff might enjoy that. And there are a lot of things you can do here. You can upload audio references. I don't know if it actually allows you to do copyrighted things. You can't do that on Suno, which sucks, because maybe you really like the sound of certain song, but you want like a copycat of it, which is going to be still like within your legal rights, that is not really like a copy of that song, is not breaking copyright. So that's something you can't do there. There's the auto generation feature, and there's also the way to do your own lyrics. And then on the advanced controls, you can change the version. So the current one is Allegro 1.5, which is all the ones that we generated over here. And then you can choose the length to be 32 seconds or 2 minutes and 10. I don't know why it's prompted out to be just like that. It would be very nice to have one prompter which would be able to choose the custom length, or at least by 15 seconds. So either 15 seconds on, 30 seconds, 45, 1 minute, blah, blah, blah. That would be very good. And then there's also a feature that is reducing the styles, which is good. And then there's going to be prompt strength. That's something that is not existing on Suno. And lyric strength also, and clarity. That's also one thing. And then we have generation quality. And okay, maybe it can improve the quality here. That's interesting. So we can actually go into, can I go into back? Okay, let's listen to these remixes over here. So I guess it was okay, but overall, like, I don't really have much to say about UDIO right now. I think it's slightly worse than Suno, but it maybe has a bit more freedom on editing the actual song with these features. But obviously, what is the level of accuracy on the advanced controls is totally different ballpark type of a thing. So it's kind of whatever that's going to be worth it. But once again, I recommend just trying it out, experiment with it yourself, and see whatever it's actually worth the money. It's nice that they have free credits, even though some of the systems might be behind a paywall. But in case you have any recommendations, what else we should cover? Is there other better alternatives to Suno and UDIO? I would love to know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Cheers.